Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all keeping well. So today I'm going to film for you a DIY face mask, and this face mask will help brighten, revitalize your skin, and also if you have sort of had any blemishes and have been left with any dark spots, this will really help for that also.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
You literally leave it on for 15 minutes and I'm going to go directly into it. So for this you will need a banana, almond oil and aloe vera. So if you've got real aloe vera you can use that. I am growing my aloe vera and I don't want to cut it right now, so I'm going to use this and literally it just works like magic. So what you need to do is with your banana, take it out, you want to get it into a bowl and then you want to mash it. So once the banana's mashed, it will look something like this, which just looks very gooey. Then you'll mix 2 tablespoons of your aloe vera gel and then literally just mix that in. Then once you've mixed it, so just make sure the aloe vera literally mixes in with the banana because it tries to separate at times. Once that's mixed in, then you want to go in with your almond oil, the pure almond oil guys, and you add 3 teaspoons of your almond oil. So that's a lot of different consistencies, which is going to be fun to apply to the skin. So I've got a brush and now I'm going to put this mixture on my face. So leave this on your face for 15 minutes. So guys, I literally have just gone and washed my face. You will realise that it's 15 minutes once your face starts feeling a little bit sort of hard, where it's actually dried. And I'm just going to go in with my Ole Henriksen dark spot toner and literally just clean anything away because it literally feels so slimy when you're washing your face. So definitely use like a flannel or something, and I do feel like the skin feels so hydrated and revitalized at the same time. Like it's a strange one, but it feels nice. And I'm just gonna go and apply my Elvis Pro Collagen, a few drops of this, and the skin's gonna feel so lifted. So this is literally it guys. The skin's feeling really nice and clean and just feels plump. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this super quick DIY face tutorial, and I really hope you try it and see how your skin feels afterwards. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!